Bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips Under the Weather edition with RMJ Studios, a virtual dance studio. Today, we'll be getting into how we stand at the bar. This also includes our Eurocentric posture, so if you didn't catch the videos going over that, then be sure to check them out. Bar posture is a little more specific than a lot of new dancers realize, so let's just get into it. But OMG, what if I don't have a studio grade bar in my house? Well, if for some weird reason you don't have one of those just sitting around, just grab a chair. Now, let's place our hands on the bar. Now, we're not going to grip it like a T-Rex, we're actually going to be very demure, very mindful, and place the hand on the bar, just the fingers. The bar isn't a crutch. It's just there for some extra support. Now that we're here, there are two basic ways we'll stand at the bar. Either face flat into it or face forward. When we're facing flat, we'll have both hands on the bar, and when we're facing forward, we'll have one hand on the bar while the other stays in second or moves through a quarter bar. And the last thing that we'll talk about here is distance. It's important to make sure that you're not standing too close to the bar or too far away from it, otherwise you won't be able to move properly. You should be at a comfortable distance from the bar when you can reach out and touch it with a slight bend in your elbow, but not so much that it crunches into your side. Remember, this arm is just here for some extra support, so it should be able to relax over the bar without causing any interference. And that's it for how we stand at the bar. Easy, right? And now that we've got all these pieces together, I think we might be ready for some beginner level combination work. But for now, I'm Malone Jr., and this has been Technique Tips. Be sure to check out my full, live, online classes at rmjproductionstudios.com for more.